that's the animal song. Here comes Bunny, soft and sweet, hopping with her tiny feet. Wiggle ears and bounce around, she makes not even a single sound. Puppy's barking full of cheer, wagging tail when friends are near. He runs in circles, fast and fun, chasing butterflies in the sun. Kitten's tiny, soft and small, chasing string and bouncing ball. She purrs and stretches, climbs so high, then curls up under a starry sky. Duckling waddles side to side, fluffy feathers full of pride. She splashes water with her feet and quacks a tune that's short and sweet. Fawn with spots so shy and bright, peeking out in morning light. She tiptoes gently through the trees and sniffs the flowers in the breeze. Hedgehog rolls into a ball, though he's tiny, he feels tall. He smiles wide and gives a wink, then hides inside before you blink. Penguin waddles nice and slow, sliding on the ice and snow. He flaps his wings and gives a cheer. Come on, friends, let's dance right here. Elephant with floppy ears, trumpets joy for all to hear. He stomps around, then gives a hug. He's big and soft, just like a